$10,000 per month online. Number that sounds insane to the most of people watching. You think you need massive following, millions of followers, years of experience, and millions of dollars to actually start with a business to start making that amount of money. But in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how you can start doing it. And look, don't get me wrong, I know there are millions of people selling you literally all type of bullshits online when it comes to Forex, when it comes to dropshipping, and don't get me wrong, all that work, I have a bunch of friends in this industry that actually are making a lot of money with it. But again, most of the people out there are just doing that so they can make money simply because you buy their course, you buy their signals or something like that. However, again, today I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process how you can start doing it with a business, with not just some shortcut things where you can start making that amount of money tomorrow. And the reason why I'm going to tell you this is because I actually did it myself. And I did it when I was literally still in high school. So again, today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making over $10,000 per month with your online business and how you can actually scale this even further. And the crazy part is it's way simpler than probably you think. So stick with me by the end of this video and let's get into it now. By the way, if you don't know me yet, my name is Dino and I run Coaching Empire company which is helping coaches and consultants to scale their businesses to over 20,000 in monthly recurring revenue. And again, I hit this 10,000 per month mark long time ago, and right now we are doing literally more than double of that every single month. And here's why most people never hit 10,000 per month. It all comes down to one simple problem: mistaking numbers. They're selling low ticket pricing. Like, doesn't matter what you're selling, which it doesn't matter what business you are in. Of course, I want to focus a bit more on this sort of online coaches, consulting, and info product services because this is a space I'm in. But like most people, they sell $27 ebooks, $90 courses, $197 coaching programs. But in reality, like, this stuff is worth way more money, and you should just package it in different ways so you can sell actually to the right type of people, but for the right type of price. Number two, they are focused on followers and not the income. Look, I'm not doing this because I love creating content. I'm not doing this because I want to have millions of likes, views, and followers. I'm doing this so I can actually get the clients from what I'm doing right now. But look, I'm actually working with the people who have massive audience and still they can get clients. So like, I have literally people with 600,000 followers plus making less than $1,000 where we help them to make multiple 5 figures every single month simply with the same audience they had it before. So again, the problem is that most of people just chase views and followers instead of the actual dollar bills. Mistake number three, they don't have the clear offer. They're doing a bit of everything. Coaching here, some sort of low ticket course over there, then one-on-one sessions here, then some sort of retreats, then this and this. And don't get me wrong, you can have more offer, but only after you refine the first one and you actually start making some serious income from one. And look, if all that sounds familiar to you, and if you find yourself as someone who's actually doing something like that, so you're not a complete beginner, but still you can't reach this 10,000 per month, then trust me, this video is for you. And if you're someone who's just trying to make some quick money, or maybe you haven't even started with a business, to be honest, this video might not be for you. And before I give you the exact system of how you can reach 10,000 per month, you have to understand it's not just about working more. Don't get me wrong, you should be working a lot. However, it's not only about that. It's not only about posting more content. It's not only about sending more DMs. It's how you actually do them. And the main thing that you have to understand is solving problems to the right type of people who can actually pay you money for that solution. Think about it in this way. If you help someone to get from making literally $0 per month, struggling to land a single client, to making over $5,000 plus per month consistently profit, what do you think that solution will be worth to them? Is it going to be $500, $1,000, or even $10,000? Because look, they'll make multiple 5 figures per year. So again, even $10,000 seems like a good price. When you start thinking in a way of how much value you actually provide instead of how many hours you work, everything shifts, and this is where you can actually make some serious money. Okay, so here's the exact steps you have to do. The steps I implemented and the steps I'm walking every single client who we get onboarded. Number one, pick one person to help. Most of people, they just try to help anyone. Like, let me give you one example. I had one client who was in fitness industry and he was just trying to help everyone. He was trying to help dads, moms, young kids, older people, people who are working 9-to-5 job, people who are entrepreneurs, but it doesn't work that way because not everyone is going to relate to you. So instead of trying to help everyone, try to help specific people who can actually help, because if you try to help everyone, you will most likely end up helping no one. So again, pick one specific niche. Help busy dads between 20 to 45 to actually lose, let's say, 15 pounds. And this is the exact type of problem people have, so they're going to actually reach out to you specifically because you know you can specifically help them out. The more clearer you become, everything just becomes way easier. Your content works better, your DMs work better, and of course you start closing more deals. So step number one, get specific. One problem, one person, and one outcome. Step number two, build a high ticket offer. Once you know who you are helping and how you can help them, you have to position it into one offer. And this comes basically to something that we were talking about before, where you shouldn't be, again, selling just anything for low ticket prices. Instead of focus on high ticket prices. As well, like focus on the value, what you actually provide. If you help someone to actually, let's say, live their best life, not let's say maybe financially, but let's say physically or mentally, that is worth a lot of money to them. So let's put it this way. If you help someone to get something valuable, doesn't have to be financially, it can be physically, it can be mentally, what the net is going to be worth to them? It's going to be worth a lot of money. I have my client, Brad Parker, who's helping literally millionaires to transform their lives. Not again in financial way because they are already millionaires, but actually just feeling better about themselves. It's not everything about the money. And again, people are paying that to him multiple 5 figures in pounds. So you see how much money it actually is because they see the value in it. So again, position one, high ticket offer, where you have clear structure on how much charge and what they get for that. Who is this for? What type of results they get? How long it takes and what's included to actually get there. Now, step number 3, get in front of the right people. Now you need clients, but you don't need millions of followers to get them. You just have to be in front of the right type of people who are actually watching your stuff in order to get those clients. You need conversations. Now there are 2 ways of doing that, either through content or either through cold DMs. So let's start first with the content. Content attracts. It basically gets people to you, which is obviously a better option, but it takes maybe a little bit more time if you don't know exactly what you are doing, which of course takes time to build some experience, to get some trust from people and stuff like that. But the best platforms I would recommend will be a combination of Instagram and YouTube, and if you would like to, you can as well use LinkedIn, but these 2 will be the main ones. Where on YouTube you focus on long form content like you're watching right now, and on Instagram you focus on short form content, which you can as well check on my Instagram profile down below in comments. Every video should have a specific structure, from hook to rehook, to template, to the call to action and everything else. So people can actually see the value, but they can also see your authority and your expertise. So once you actually pitch them that call to action, they will like to move forward with it and they will like to take this action either to book a call with you, to get your free class, or to do this next step to becoming your client. Now, when it comes to cold DMs, you have to just understand that you shouldn't be pitching straight away. You can't go into their DMs and just be like, hey, I can help you out, because they don't really see that way. They want that you first understand their situation, where they are right now, what are their problems, where they would like to be, and then position yourself as someone who is a bridge between those 2 spots through the DMs, and only then offer a quick call, where if you again can help them out, you're just going to have a simple conversation, and of course only then you can actually close them as a client. Step number 4, close on a call. Now again, doesn't matter if you got them through cold DMs, through having a conversation DMs, or either directly from your content with a call to action, you will end up on a call with them. And this is where sales comes in. And sales is one of the most important things you have to know. Doesn't matter what you're doing. Literally doesn't matter what business you have, you will have to know how to sell, because everything is about sales. Even if you're a trader, even if you're in crypto, you have to understand how the basically human minds work, and you do it obviously by knowing how to sell. Now, when it comes to, let's say, our specific sales calls, selling someone who is in, let's say, info service or coaching service, so you sell some sort of coaching package, you have to understand that they don't want that they feel like you're pushing them. Even though, again, maybe that sounds a bit of weird thing to say, because I'm always for a first call close, and making them say yes on a first call, you shouldn't feel like you're actually pitching to them. You can do it in a way they feel like it's friendly conversation, and still they'll be happy to give you their money on a first call. Keep your sales call simple. Ask questions first, understand the situation, understand what are their problems, and then simply understand where they would like to be in the future, 6 months down the line. Of course, a bit more in details, and then at the end, just simply position yourself, as I said before, as well in DMs, as a bridge between those 2 spots with your service. Like, you have to be someone who can actually get them from point A to the point B with your service, and it has to be basically super easy to understand on that call. What I, for example, do is one good tip. You should tell them to write something down on paper. Like, tell them, okay, so write down step number 1. I do this. Step number 2, I do this. Step number 3, I do this. This will help you massively to actually let them understand what you're doing exactly, and so they can actually be inside the conversation and they can basically following up with everything you're saying to them. So again, when it comes to actually telling them the price and handling objections, they will not have objections like, oh, let me think about it, let me just check more about your service, because they already know your service, because they have wrote it down. Now, when it comes to handling objections, it's really just answering unanswered questions, simple as that, because objections doesn't exist. These are literally just unanswered questions. You have to understand what is behind those objections. It's either one of those two things. It's either money or it's either fear. These are only two things you have to actually understand. And once you do, you just simply tackle one of those two and you will close the deal. So to basically circle all of this, we have 4 main steps to get to 10K per month. 1, pick a specific person to help and basically just focus on that one thing. 2, build a high ticket offer. 3, get in front of the right type of people, either through DMs or either through content. And number 4, close them on a call with right type of sales strategy. Now again, if you feel like you maybe, let's say, need a little bit more help with doing all this and actually implementing, and let's say you're already making maybe 5,000 per month, but you want to scale to, let's say, this 10,000 per month, then I think that we can be a really amazing fit. And if you're like something in that situation, then just simply feel free to check the first link in the description where you can jump on a completely free call. You can just understand the situation and just to see if we can somehow even work together. But if you may be right now in not a position where you can invest, or you don't have any money to your name, where you can actually again put it into the place so it can work for you, and let's say authorization invest into my help, then you can as well check the second link in the description where you're going to see a full 30-minute training and explaining exactly how you can do it, but obviously then you don't have some real help from our side. Now again, hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next one. Bye.